Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like you're doing all the right things? Eating healthy foods, exercising, even buying the best skincare products, but still feel tired, dull, or restless inside? What if the problem isn't what you're doing, but when you're doing it? Ayurveda, the ancient science of life and longevity from India, says that timing is not just a detail, it's the secret to balance, beauty, and vitality. In our modern lives, we obsess over what to eat and what to avoid, but Ayurveda whispers something deeper. When you eat matters more than what you eat. When you sleep shapes your mood more than how many hours you sleep. And when you bathe can either energize you or drain you. This is the beauty of timing, the forgotten rhythm of life that aligns your body with nature's great clock. In today's video, we will explore exactly what Ayurveda teaches us about the right times to eat, to sleep, and to bathe, and how following these rhythms can transform not only your health, but also your beauty, your energy, and your peace of mind. So sit back, relax, and let's walk through the day together, the Ayurvedic way. Part 1. The Ayurvedic clock. Living with the rhythms of nature. Ayurveda believes that our body is not separate from nature. The same sun that rises and sets outside rises and sets inside you. The same wind that moves the trees also moves your breath. The same fire that burns in the sky at noon burns in your stomach as digestive power. This is why Ayurveda divides the day into 6 segments, based on the dominance of the 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Kapha time, 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Heavy, slow, grounded energy. Pitta time, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Hot, sharp, transformative energy. Vata time, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. and 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. Light, creative, mobile energy. When you align your activities with these natural shifts, you flow with life instead of struggling against it. Let's break this down into eating, sleeping, and bathing. Part 2. When to eat. Food is medicine, but even medicine has no effect if taken at the wrong time. Morning. Ayurveda discourages a heavy breakfast first thing in the morning. Why? Because your digestive fire, known as Agni, is still waking up. Eating a huge breakfast at 7 a.m. is like trying to light a wet log with a small flame. It smolders, it resists, it creates smoke. Instead, Ayurveda recommends something light and warm in the early morning, maybe a spiced porridge, a fruit that suits your body type, or a glass of warm water with lemon and honey. This gently awakens your system without overloading it. Midday. Now comes the golden rule of Ayurveda. Lunch is the main meal of the day. Between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m., the sun is at its highest point, and so is your inner sun, your digestive fire. This is when your body is most capable of breaking down, absorbing, and transforming food into energy. Skipping lunch or eating lightly at this time robs you of strength. On the other hand, eating your richest meal in the evening, like so many of us do, confuses your body. It's like trying to cook a feast when the fire has already gone out. So, Ayurveda says, eat your biggest meal at noon. Make it wholesome, balanced, and satisfying. Your body will thank you. Evening. Dinner, according to Ayurveda, should be early, light, and easy to digest. Ideally before 8 p.m. or even better around 6:30 or 7. Why? Because after sunset, your body is winding down. Digestion slows, repair begins, and sleep hormones rise. Eating a heavy meal at this time forces your body to spend the night digesting food instead of healing your tissues. If you've ever woken up feeling bloated, heavy, or puffy in your face, chances are you ate too much too late. Ayurveda's rule is simple. eat with the sun. As it rises, eat lightly. As it shines brightest, eat most. As it sets, eat little. Part 3. When to sleep. Sleep is called the twin of death in Ayurveda. It is not an escape, it is a sacred reset. But the timing of sleep is more important than the number of hours. Sleeping early. Kapha time begins around 6 p.m. By 10 p.m., Kapha's heaviness makes it easy to fall asleep naturally. If you go to bed in this window, your body drifts into a deep, restorative sleep. But if you push past 10 p.m., you enter Pitta time. Suddenly, instead of feeling sleepy, you feel alert, hungry, or restless. This is why people who stay up late often get midnight cravings. The fire of Pitta rises, not to digest food, but to digest thoughts, repair tissues, and cleanse the liver. If you eat at this time, you hijack this process. Ayurveda's wisdom, sleep by 10 p.m. Let Pitta work for you, not against you. Waking early. The best time to wake up, Ayurveda says, is before sunrise, ideally between 4:30 and 6 a.m. This is Vata time, light, fresh, and creative. If you rise with this energy, you feel inspired, clear-headed, and spiritually awake. Morning meditation, journaling, or even a simple walk feels effortless. But if you sleep past sunrise, Kapha takes over. You wake heavy, groggy, and sluggish, as if you're dragging a weight. That's why Ayurveda's golden rule is sleep early, rise early. Align your rest with nature's breath. Part 4. When to bathe. Bathing is not just hygiene in Ayurveda. It is a ritual, a way of purifying both body and mind. But the time of bathing changes its effect. Morning bath. The ideal time to bathe is in the morning, after elimination, and before breakfast. A warm bath at this time awakens your senses, clears Kapha's heaviness, and makes you feel fresh for the day. Adding herbs, flowers, or a few drops of oil makes this ritual even more therapeutic. Evening bath. If you've had a stressful day, Ayurveda also allows for an evening bath, but with care. The water should be lukewarm, not hot, to avoid overstimulating the body. This kind of bath is calming, preparing you for restful sleep. The subtler rules. Bathing immediately after eating is discouraged. It disturbs digestion. Very hot water on the head is considered harmful, as it weakens the senses. Oil massage before bathing, known as abhyanga, is highly recommended. It not only nourishes the skin, but also balances the nervous system. So bathing, too, has its sacred timings. Done right, it is not just about washing dirt. It's about cleansing fatigue, stress, and stagnation. Part 5. Why timing creates beauty. Now, you may wonder, how does all this connect to beauty? Ayurveda says beauty is not skin deep. True beauty radiates from balanced digestion, restful sleep, and a calm mind. When you eat at the right times, your body digests fully, your skin glows, and your eyes brighten. When you sleep at the right times, your body repairs itself, reducing premature aging, dark circles, and dullness. When you bathe at the right times, you not only look fresh, you feel refreshed. Beauty, then, is nothing but rhythm, a rhythm between your body and nature, a dance with time itself. So the next time you ask yourself, what should I eat? How much should I sleep? How often should I bathe? Pause, and instead ask, when? Because Ayurveda teaches us that timing is not a small detail. It is the secret doorway to harmony. Eat with the sun, sleep with the stars, bathe with the flow of the day. And watch how your body, your mind, and your beauty begin to align with something far greater than routine, the timeless rhythm of life itself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the beauty of timing, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who could benefit from this wisdom, and subscribe to Dress, Dine, and Shine for more ancestral secrets for modern living. Until next time, may you live beautifully, gracefully, and in tune with time.